Rabbit. I believe that's a Rabbit. It's a Golf or a Rabbit. I can't remember what I had said earlier. Eric Kunstler driving that 72 car. As a car corner pace car ducks on out, the Love Bug, Tracy New, is going to bring us around. Here they come, they come, they come! Green flag, and we're racing!
And
no, we're not!
Not a good sign for the 507 of Katie Wilson.
Looks like the tire might... Oh, I'm trying to see Katie trying to turn the wheel, and it's... Maybe. I think maybe something broke on that.
One of the double B bracket as they approach the raw steel restart zone in turns 3 and 4. Now we're going to get the green flag, and they're racing! And it'll be the 56C of Scott Vetter getting out front in a hurry. The 42 of Senko in second. Tiger of Ashley Matz, the 66 machine third. John Triggs in fourth. Dan Sander running up your top 5 right now.
What happened to the Love Bug? It went from first to last, Eric.
It is on the love run. As that 56C, Scott Vetter. Maybe a little too fast. Might have been a breakout for Scott Vetter. As the 42 of Jeremiah Senko is your new leader. John Triggs in second. Ashley Metz, the 66 in third. Stellar in the 72 is rounding up your top 4.
So we are almost halfway through this race. As your leader is the 42 of Jeremiah Senko, followed by Triggs. The 56C did get the breakout, but he's still going around. Could we have a repeat from the earlier bracket race, the 4A bracket? I hope not.
Don't remind them. As Senko and Triggs are going to try and find their way around Vetter, who refuses to give the lead from where he doesn't lead.
So currently the 92 car sitting on the bubble in 5th.
And the 92 will challenge Ashley Matson, that 66 to the line. And it will be the 92 machine. And your leader, Jeremiah Senko, and that 42. John Triggs in second. And Stellar in third. Johnson in fourth. Matt's currently in fifth. 1 to go.
Wonder who it's going to be here. Senko trying to pull away. Triggs in second, technically. Whoa, the VW and the 92 getting together. It's going to be Senko for the win, followed by Triggs, Kunstler, Johnson, Matz. The 42, I think. Race fans, just a heads up, breakfast in the pavilion tomorrow morning at 9 o'clock here for our Bahama Brackets breakfast. That's 9 a.m. tomorrow morning. We're going to have breakfast here. How about that? And I've had breakfast here before at Short Track. That's some good stuff. All right. So the 42 car did break out, meaning...
Stellar now in second. Brandon Johnson in third. And Ashley Matz will round off your top 4. And in the 5th spot, the 79 of Trevor Sterick. Out of Rockton, Illinois, a Rockford Speedway native.